Hello viewers, a lot of users are asking me whether I have replaced my iPhone screen or not. In fact, I have lost the iPhone screen of my iPhone 13 after the update of iOS 17.4.1. I have already posted 3 to 4 videos regarding this issue and I have contacted the customer care service of Apple and got assurance that I will be getting the free screen replacement, but after 7 days they informed me that as my iPhone 13 was out of warranty, they were not able to replace the screen free of cost. Then I contacted various authorized service center over telephone and wanted to know whether I will get free screen replacement or not, or whether they will detect the issue after software update. So they informed me that I have to pay around 1.8k to diagnose the issue in iPhone 13, and in case of screen replacement I have to pay around 27,000 rupees. So that is a very hefty amount. So I think I should not visit the service center, which is about 150 kilometers from my house. Actually, 1 month has passed since my iPhone 13's screen got damaged of the latest software update. Before iOS 17.4.1, my iPhone 13 was running very smoothly. There was no problem. The display was excellent, as you can see in this video. This is an old footage. I was very happy and I enjoyed using iPhone 13. The cameras were also excellent, especially the videography from iPhone 13 was excellent, and I used to shoot videos on this iPhone 13 and upload those videos in my YouTube channel. I thought that iOS 17.4.1 will give my phone stability and fix some bugs, but unfortunately it damaged my screen. So if you are using any of the iPhone 13 series iPhone, don't update to the latest version, because iPhone 13 series are out of warranty and you will not get any kind of screen replacement from Apple. So be careful before updating to the latest version. But I think I should not go to the authorized service center because I don't want to pay around 27,000 rupees on a phone that might be affected another time after software update. So I have decided to visit the local store that is near from my house, and they said that the cost of replacing the screen will be around 3,000 rupees if I get the third-party screen, or if I want the original screen of Apple, then in that case I have to pay around 10,000 rupees. So if you are facing the same problem, stay tuned with this channel. I will change the display at a cost of 3,000 rupees and show you about the qualities of the display. I don't know about the quality of the display as of now, so I will go to local service center and get my screen replaced at a cost of 3,000 rupees. If anyone is facing the same black screen issue with iPhone 13, let me know in the comment sections below, and also let me know whether you have replaced your screen or not, or whether you have visited the authorized service center or not. These kinds of reports must be submitted to Apple so that they can acknowledge that the screen should be replaced free of cost. Actually, Samsung has started replacing the screen of S22 series for one-time replacement policy. That is a good move. Apple should also follow these steps to get better in terms of service quality, because service is the most important thing. In my next video, I will talk about the replacement of iPhone 13's screen from the local store. So if you want to watch that video, stay subscribed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.